Hi, Rana here from Technical SE Team Parliament. Today we'll learn how to create the sequences or set up the campaign in the Sales Handy. For this purpose, click on the Create Sequence button. Make sure you have attached the proper email accounts with the Sales Handy. You can check here. I have attached the email account, Dutch. So you can turn on the sender rotation if you will add the more emails, then you can on the sender rotation. With this feature, Sales Handy will use the both sender emails for campaign. Okay, let's go to the steps. Click on Add Step. Here you can write your subject, description. Make sure it's more visible. Then use Vardana font. And you can add the merger tags here. For example, hi, and add the tag first name. Okay. Also monitor the subject line, personalization, and links. Avoid the spammy words also. For example, sale, revenue. These are the spammy words. So you have to remove. Here you can see I have the one spammy word, but when it will increase from 2 to 3, then it will show you the red sign here. You have to replace. You can use also the pre-built templates, or you can just write your copy here, or you can use the code for this purpose. You can add some HTML code if you want to send the HTML based copy. Okay, after this you have to add the prospects list. Download your prospects list from Google Sheet or anywhere and upload here with proper email, first name, last name, company, website column. Then go to the emails. Okay, you can see when you will set up the sequence, you can add the sequence name here. So you will add more data here. Okay, when you will add the complete copy, you will see the sequence code here. You can add more steps also. So it's the first step, and then you can set the next step will be sent on day, for example, the 5th day. Okay. Also, you can add the merger tags into the subject, for example, companies. Okay. Before sending or initiating the campaign or starting the campaign, you must send a test email. Okay. And you can also add the images, links. Try to avoid the links, but you can add one links as a CTA. Try to avoid more than one links. So it's a simple step to set up the sequence or campaign into the Sales Handy. Tap the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this.